Today I am demonstrating Wacky Cupcakes with my first year student. I thought it'd be fun for you guys to join in. And the reason I'm doing this is because I wanted to teach them about recipes that are super sustainable. So I've got my pre-sifted flour and my pre-sifted cocoa in the bowl, and I've put my bicarb soda in already. Adding my sugar, half teaspoon of salt. So now we've got all our dry ingredients in the bowl. You're going to actually create 3 little wells. I'm going to add my 1 teaspoon of vanilla to one of the holes, oil, my vinegar to the last hole. I'm going to add my cup of water. And we've got some gorgeous bubbles coming here because the leavening agent is the bicarb soda, but the vinegar has activated it. Pour it into your patty pans. You want to keep the bubbles in them because the bubbles are what's going to help them rise in the oven. And of course the butter has been replaced by oil, so that's our fat. Structure, we still have quite a bit of structure in our flour. We need to get them into the oven before those bubbles completely pop.